We've worked thousands of hours to do our very best and make everyone happy. And now we're ready to celebrate because we just received an amazing review we're excited to share. Take a look. We're always thrilled to hear about a happy experience with our company. We work hard to deliver 5-star top-shelf services to each and every individual. It's great to receive positive feedback since it's a fantastic confirmation that our focus on quality really is the best approach. We'll work just as hard to make you happy too, the best way we know how, by providing you with incredible service. Come and see us today. We want to thank you for checking us out today. You can contact us at the number on the screen. We hope to hear from you soon.